What is up, guys? I am on this, I think it's a 42-foot Viking. I think oh, Rampage. Not a Viking. Rampage. So, which is what this kid is doing right now. Anyways, got some wet coring. And I dug out, the customer already dug out some. Dug out about an inch or so into some that wasn't. And basically, I'm going to fill it with some straight up fiber filler. And then go from there, to basically repair all this and put in a nice little step here for the, finish it off nice and finish the gel coat. It's kind of a mismatch on the color here, so probably take that all right down. In any case, that's what this video is about, or series of videos about. If you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe, get notification for this and other jobs as they progress. Thanks for watching. Good swatch of that.